Click on the plus icon at the top and select text. Clear this new text and add Happy New Week. Then OK. Scroll the bottom panel and click on Align. Now decrease the line spacing. Scroll to the right to go to font, and we are going to use the main font. Go down to get the main font. This shade of black is faded, so we are going to change it to a real black. Now I will import my PNG image. We are going to place it rightly. Now we are going to add the inspirational text. Decrease the size. We are going to copy this Happy New Week text. We are going to add a reflection of the text week. You can also lock your materials so they don't move when you are editing something else. Let's add a flare to make the design pop up. We are going to use the Erase Color tool to remove the background. First, pick on the color black. Increase the tolerance. Smoothen the edges too. I will also add a new text again. Decrease the size as we've done before. Now to also add shadow to where the baby is standing on, add a new text. You can write just anything. Go to color, click on this hard color by the right, and we are going to shift the color to a transparent color. Shift the bottom panel to the right and click on 3D shadow. Now we are going to add a sitting boss baby to the design. Now I'm going to import background texture to add texture to the design. Decrease the opacity to make it pop. Now it's time to add my PNG logo to the design. Click on the second icon at the top to save your image. For the best quality, use the Ultra Dimension.